In a world where technology evolves at an unprecedented rate, the line between human abilities and artificial intelligence blurs. But are we really on the brink of a future where machines outthink, outperform, and outlive us? Or will humans always maintain their edge? Welcome to the ultimate showdown, AI versus humans. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has taken leaps forward in recent years. From self-driving cars to personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. But what sets us humans apart from this new form of intelligence? Let's break it down. The battle of brainpower AI versus human intelligence. At the core of this battle is intelligence. Human brains have evolved over millennia, allowing us to develop language, culture, emotions, and the ability to adapt to complex environments. AI, on the other hand, processes information faster and more accurately than any human ever could. But is speed all that matters? AI excels in data-driven tasks like analyzing massive datasets or playing strategic games like chess and Go, where it has already surpassed human champions. However, humans possess something AI cannot yet replicate: creativity, intuition, and emotional intelligence. Speed versus understanding. When it comes to raw speed, AI is unmatched. It can scan millions of pages of information in mere seconds, whereas a human would take years. But there's a catch. AI's understanding is limited to the data it's fed. While it can process, humans interpret, infer, and create meaning from information. Humans also understand the reasoning behind decisions. This deeper comprehension is something AI struggles with, particularly in fields like law, ethics, and moral judgment. This is why humans still play an essential role in guiding AI's use. Creativity, a human edge. Creativity is a realm where humans shine. From composing symphonies to painting masterpieces, human creativity is driven by personal experience, emotions, and a sense of purpose. While AI can mimic these outputs, creating music, art, or poetry based on patterns it has learned, it lacks genuine emotion and the intention behind the creative process. Jobs and the future workforce. Will AI replace us? One of the biggest concerns in the AI versus human debate is the future of work. Will AI replace human jobs? In many industries, AI has already automated tasks that were once done by humans, especially in manufacturing, customer service, and data analysis. But this automation also opens up new opportunities. As machines take over repetitive tasks, humans are free to focus on more complex, creative, and empathetic roles such as in healthcare, education, and the arts. The future workforce might not be humans versus AI, but humans collaborating with AI. The human touch, empathy, and emotional intelligence. There's one thing AI cannot replicate, at least not yet: human empathy. Emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, is something deeply rooted in human experience. In fields that require human connection, like healthcare, therapy, or counseling, AI may assist, but the human touch remains irreplaceable. Machines may calculate, but they cannot feel. The ethical dilemma: can AI be trusted? As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it raises important ethical questions. Who's responsible when AI makes a mistake? Can we trust machines to make unbiased decisions when they are trained on data that may reflect human prejudices? These challenges highlight the need for humans to remain at the forefront of AI development, ensuring that technology is designed and used responsibly. The future: collaboration or competition? So, what does the future hold for AI and humans? Rather than a competition, the most likely scenario is collaboration. AI will continue to excel in data-heavy, repetitive, and precise tasks, while humans will focus on areas where creativity, empathy and ethics are paramount. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. While machines can outperform us in many ways, they lack the emotional, creative, and ethical depth that defines the human experience. Rather than fear the rise of AI, we should embrace the possibilities of a future where humans and machines work together to create a better world. So, what do you think? Will AI ever truly surpass human potential, or will we always maintain the upper hand? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of technology and the human experience. Until next time, stay curious.